Hello, welcome to the Laheta Consulting YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about SugarCRM, how to set it up in the cloud and save some money. If you have any questions, my email is at the bottom of the screen. Just send me a note and I'd be more than happy to help you out. So, you might be asking, hey, what about Salesforce and NetSuite? Why aren't we talking about them? They do have a free trial that you can use depending on the product from 14 to 30 days. But what Salesforce and NetSuite don't have is an instance that you can run in the cloud for free. These are great products. I've used them before, so it may be the right fit for some people. But today we're talking about SugarCRM. SugarCRM does have CRM services that it offers, just like Salesforce and NetSuite, on an annual subscription basis, and they take care of the hosting for you. Yet some people might want to try it out, or they might have a small company and they want to keep costs down, so for the first year they want to try it out, make sure it's right for them, and there is a way to do that, and that's what we're talking about today. So you might be asking, SugarCRM, okay, I'm interested, but how do I get it? Well, what you need is a developer account at bitnami.org. You need a developer account at Amazon Web Services. And when you have those two things, you get pure cloud awesomeness. So, the prerequisites for getting SugarCRM are, number one, an Amazon Web Services account, and number two, a Bitnami hosting account. So let's take a look at that. Here's the page for Amazon Web Services. And if you look on the right-hand side, you'll see over here a sign up for free Amazon Web Services account. Now, what they have for the free account are requirements in terms of the type of server that you get. And you'll note that, okay, it's not a huge server, but this is enough to run SugarCRM, and if you're a small firm or if you're just testing it out, it's more than enough. The other thing we talked about is a Bitnami hosting account. You basically click on this Get Started tab and it takes you to this page and you sign up for an account. Now they also have a free developer account as well. And that's how simple it is. You get your two accounts, you sign up for them, and then you're ready for pure cloud awesomeness. And I will show you that next. Here I am in my Bitnami cloud hosting account, and it's very easy to create a server. Basically, you click this button, create a server, and then fill out this information. So we will give my server a name, and let's call it Demo CRM Laheta. And I will do the same for the domain name. I'll click to add a new application. You can see that they have a lot of different applications that you can deploy, and we're going to choose SugarCRM, and we'll click OK. Next, the application options. We'll fill in this information. And we'll choose CRM admin for our demo, and then we'll choose a password. Type that in and display the username of admin and click OK. Make sure that we're choosing our Amazon web account, and then we can click build and launch. Now you might be noticing that here they're showing these charges, And what Bitnami is doing is showing you what this server would cost. But the nice thing is at Amazon you're signed up for a free account, so it's not going to cost anything. So these charges are the estimated charges. Now you might be asking, okay, there's Amazon Web Services, and then there's Bitnami. So what does Bitnami do? What Bitnami does is they give you this interface to launch your servers on the Amazon web cloud in their cloud environment. So this way it's very easy, it's point and click, and basically as you'll see it's as easy as clicking a button. So now this request is in progress and we'll be back once the server is built. If you notice, I had to fix the domain name, and once I had that little issue resolved, which is a result of trying to do this demo a couple different times, it is now building, and that's shown by here in the status. So once it's done building, then we'll be able to access the account. So we'll check back in once it's built, which should be a couple of minutes. You can see that the server is done, it's running, and when we click on it down here below, we can go to our application, and that's what we're going to do. Click on that. Here we are. Congratulations, the server is now running in the cloud, and I can access my application. So now all we have to do is log in to our SugarCRM instance. So I've logged into my instance of SugarCRM, and here's the welcome screen. Now I just have to click next. What you can do if you want is personalize this, and I'm just going to make it Demo Laheta. I'm not going to upload an image, and we'll just go through the screens. There's a system locale settings screen. There's the SMTP server specification, where you can put in the information for your Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft Exchange, or other email account. If you don't know this information, ask your email administrator, or if you do not have one but you have a hosting account like GoDaddy or something else, you can get the information from them. So we'll just click continue, and then of course your information, so we'll put this in. Since this is a demo, I'll just leave that. Let me enter an email address. Enter my last name. We'll click next. The time zone, you can select your time zone. For those of us that are not in LA, we can choose something else. And I'm going to choose New York since we're on the East Coast. And then an email account. And next thing you know, you're ready to use Sugar. And once you click finish, you're taken to the welcome screen. And you can see the tabs here. There's sales, marketing, support, activities, collaboration, and all. So you can create leads, which then become opportunities, and when you have an opportunity, that creates a contact and an account. And we'll talk more about that at a later point in time. But here we are at our instance of SugarCRM that is free and being hosted by Amazon Web Services. So in conclusion, here you have your instance of SugarCRM that you can test, or you can run it if it's a very small instance using the Bitnami developer hosting account and the free account at Amazon Web Services. So I would like to thank you for watching today's video, and once again, this was brought to you by the Laheta Consulting Group and was a video production for YouTube. Goodbye.